Amazing, guys. Hi everyone, what's up? This is Addie here and welcome to my YouTube channel. Well, I hope you guys are doing good and thank you so much guys for watching my videos. In case if you're here for the first time on my YouTube channel, a quick reminder before we start this reaction that my name is Addie. I'm from India. I make reaction videos to support, promote local artists from different parts of the globe. And having said that, today we're here to check out an amazing band called Snarm. I have done a reaction for this band recently and they have released a new song which is out yesterday. They have released their official music video as well. So before we start this reaction, let's quickly go and dig a little bit about the band Snarm. I have mentioned in my last couple of videos that I made for the band, but let me tell you that Snarm has been there since 2011 with a different name earlier. Now they have renamed themselves as Snarm back in the year 2018, and they are basically from Guwahati, Assam, which is in the northeastern part of India. They are basically a melodic hard rock band, and man, they have been inspired by a lot of bands of the 70s and the 80s, such as like Deep Purple, Bon Jovi, Dokken, Led Zeppelin, Van Halen, and a lot of other bands, to be to name some of them. They have some amazing songs out there. You should definitely check them out. They're really amazing. So we are going to check out one of their songs which was released yesterday, that is No Rain Can Wash Away. This song is very special for many reasons, because the main important thing is this song is dedicated to the late bassist of the band, Mrinal Manab. Mrinal Manabda was an amazing bassist, and sadly he passed away in the year 2023, that is last year. According to the band, the song is a powerful blend of heart-wrenching lyrics and soul-stirring melodies, reflecting the profound impact Mrinal had on the band and the void his absence has created. This is amazing, man. So we are going to check out the official video, and there are a lot of people who have actually worked behind the scenes, so hats off to the band. And we also have a guest musician, Gagan Burman, who has played the keys on this song. The lyrics has been written by the amazing vocalist of the band, T. Suraj, and the music has been written by the band Snarm. So we are really looking forward to the song, man. And a sincere reminder, guys, I will be sharing all the information of Lion Sprite music as well as the band Snarm on the description of this video and also on the pinned comment section. A sincere reminder, guys, please, if you like their work, go ahead and support their work, because it's really important to keep supporting and keep promoting their work. They are a bunch of talented musicians who have been there from a long time. I have mentioned this in my earlier videos and I'm reiterating the same thing again, just for the fact that if we as rock lovers or metalheads from India, if we don't support our own local bands, who else will? We have to, right? So with this note, guys, let's check out this amazing official video of the band, and I hope, Mrinalda, wherever you are resting in peace. We all miss you. So let's give it up for this amazing band called Snarm. So guys, we are all set to check out this amazing song, and I'll share the information of the band and their record level on the description, guys. Go ahead and check their work out, support the bands. It's really important that we keep supporting our local artists, right? So there we go.
Never stood back,
Amazing, bro.
never did fear, never did once stop chasing dreams. Left on for the rush, left in the fear, never cared for some rest, just new to hear. Do you hear? Do you hear me as I sing? Are you there to hold me and stay?
This is emotional, man, for real. Goosebumps.
Plans of tomorrow are washed away. A teardrop filled ocean is where I drown. Yeah.
Amazing, man.
There's the final song
Wow.
you made for the goodbye you made.
The lyrics is
How do I say this to you? Every place, every time, seems so fast still. But this one never be replaced. Never, never. So hard to feel all the pain of this world. I'm good as the world beside. You might be good, but the memories
it's really sad, man, you know. But amazing stuff. Wow, man. I'm literally numb right now. I don't even know what should I say. Amazing, guys. You left us too early, bro, but what an amazing dedication by Snarm, man. This is amazing. I have literally no words. There are a lot of things probably I was thinking of as I was watching this video. The song is really emotional for so many reasons, and probably, I guess, whosoever is watching this video, probably will understand and can relate to what the band has tried to show here. I mean, like, wow, this is going to be, kind of heart wrenching for real, but an amazing stuff, guys. Wow. And I'm really sure, guys, that the band has literally worked a lot in to compose a song like this and to come up with something like this. It's not really easy, when you're trying to dedicate a song to someone who is no more with us, but having said that, I'm sure, Mrinalda, if you're watching from heaven, I'm sure that you must be proud of your band members. But having said that, it's kind of really sad, because as I was watching this video, there were a lot of things that were going on in my head. I've recently done a couple of reaction videos for some other local artists from India. Let's say a beautiful band from alternative rock band from Manipur, The Wishes. Their frontman Bishi, he passed away recently, and it's really heartbreaking. I recently did a reaction for a Sikkim based band called Tribal Rain. When I got to know about the vocalist Rahul Rai, he was such a young guy, he was with so much of talent with him, playing guitar from metal to classic rock to everything he used to do. But sadly, he's no more with us. There was another band called Revenge Against Violence from northeastern part of India. The guitarist is no more. Recently, a couple of members from one of the pioneer thrash metal band from Mizoram, Komora, their members passed away. When I sit down and check out all these amazing musicians from northeastern part of India who have lost their lives, it really breaks my heart, because I believe they deserved more recognition than what they actually got. I believe that as rock lovers, or as metalheads, or whatever we call ourselves, if we don't promote their work, if we don't push on their legacy, who else will, man? Hats off to Snarm for making this video for Mrinalda, and I guess whosoever has been a part of Snarm or the close ones of Mrinalda, watching this video will probably make them very emotional for real. But hats off, man, hats off to the band. But some part of the songs were really brilliant. I'll just quickly play some part of the song where there were a lot of transitions in between, but probably, I guess, I'm not sure about the exact minute, but maybe somewhere here. Man, this is amazing. Brilliant, man. Wow. There is something in this song, man. There is something in this song. Ouch. And I had to stop it here, man. But I'll request everyone who's watching my video, if you have not subscribed to their YouTube channel, please do that, because it's really important. It's not just about just appreciating their work, also support them. Their official series will be released very soon. Go ahead, grab your copy, buy their merch in case they're out, do something to promote them. I mean, like, we all have grown up listening to some legendary musicians, and when you see we have so many talented, amazing musicians out there in our region, and I believe as rock lovers or as metalheads or as music listeners in general, we definitely should support their work. But man, this song is really emotional, but this song is really powerful, to be honest, and I believe that this song also gives you an hope. The way Suraj Da has written the lyrics, it's really amazing, and I'm sure that this song literally gives you hope that irrespective of what happens, you will always be there with us. You will be always remembered, and it's a very beautiful line when it says, "No rain can wash away." I hope you guys really had a good time. Do let me know in the comment section what you think about it, and if you ever feel sad, go ahead and talk to someone. Open yourself up. Don't stay alone. Don't hide your feelings inside, because you deserve to be heard. Stay metal, rock on. Namaste.